Hi, everyone. It's Ryan. I hope you're doing well. Today, I want to talk about what the current interest rate will get you in monthly payments at different price points to kind of compare what it looks like to buy a 500,000, 600,000, and 700,000 purchase price. I'm to compare. I just used myself as an example where I live. An estimated credit score of 700. So again, a little bit. If you're a little higher than that, it might get a slightly better rate. If you're a little lower than that, slightly worse. um, and then so it just kind of fluctuates from there. But just to kind of give a ballpark to help understand uh, where purchase price, how it affects your monthly payment. Um, so I did conventional loan today. If you guys want me to do different types of loan programs in the future, I can switch it up. So let me know. But I did 500,000, 600,000, 700 the purchase price, all 5% down. So this is your loan amount in each of these scenarios. Um, the rates were pretty similar for each of them. You get a slightly better rate at the lower purchase price. Less risk for the lender. And then, the lender fees was a different lender, but these two are the same. So slightly different underwriting fee, but pretty much everything's the same, uh, except for your monthly payment, just based on how much of money you're borrowing. So to remember, we've talked about it before, but basically you're borrowing a large sum of money. 95% of this house is being paid for by someone else, and you're paying them a price to borrow their money, and that's your interest rate, the fee to have the money, versus saving it up for yourself. You could buy a home when you have the cash saved up in however many years that takes. But at this rate, at $500,000, your total monthly payment is $3,486. Here, how it breaks down: property and principal and interest, mortgage insurance, because it's less than 20% down on conventional, estimated property taxes, and estimated insurance. And then just because you have a higher amount borrowed, 570,000 versus 475,000, your payment's now 4,384 total housing payment, and at 700,000 price point, 5,115. So that's a pretty significant climb just by buying a bigger house, a nicer area, a better school district, whatever it is that makes that price of that home go up. Obviously, I could have gone higher, 800, 900, million. Just kind of goes up from there. The other thing to really think about is 5% down in closing costs. I don't think it's estimating, or it's not estimating. You pay 1 month's, or if you close on like the 20th of the month, you're paying the rest of December, for example, your early interest, and you're paying, if you have an escrow account holding your property taxes and insurance that many lenders have for you, you pay that ahead of time. But estimated cash to close would be around 30,000, around 35,000, and around 40,000 in a 5% down conventional loan. Yeah, how's that sound to you today? These are rates for today. So the disclaimer: this is not a quote. This is just to show you how the different price points affect your mortgage payment. What I consistently say right now, and I truly believe, is that it's a good time to get into the market. Competition is down, less people bidding up the prices for this home that you want. It doesn't always have to be your forever home. It could be a starter home, but you really have to be okay with paying this total monthly housing payment now, and to have a buffer if you have things that break in your home or you need to repair something. And all the other areas of your life need to be feel comfortable as well. Don't want to be house poor. So if you can afford this monthly payment, feel comfortable with this monthly payment at whatever your price point is or beyond, then I think it's a great time to buy. So I would be diligent about that and do whatever you got to do to get out there looking, or get things in order so that you can look in the near future. Best of wishes to all of you out there, and let me know if you have any questions or if you want to see different videos in the future. Have a great one.